Milky Way Galaxy could have ocean worlds all over, NASA says. To view the full article, click the first link in the description below. A newly published study from NASA researchers suggests that there may be planets in the Milky Way Galaxy other than Earth that have an ocean. The research, published in publications of the Astronomical Society of the Pacific, notes more than a quarter of the 53 exoplanets, planets outside the Solar System that were studied, could potentially be ocean worlds, planets that have significant amounts of water. Plumes of water erupt from Europa and Enceladus, so we can tell that these bodies have subsurface oceans beneath their ice shells, and they have energy that drives the plumes, which are two requirements for life as we know it, Lynnae, NASA planetary scientist and the study's lead author, said in a statement. So if we're thinking about these places as being possibly habitable, maybe bigger versions of them in other planetary systems are habitable too. 6 billion Earth-like planets in the Milky Way Galaxy, study suggests Europa and Enceladus, moons that orbit Jupiter and Saturn, respectively, are icy celestial bodies that could potentially be home to extraterrestrial life. Who specializes in volcanism and ocean worlds, and the other researchers looked at exoplanets similar in size to Earth, including a group of 7 in the TRAPPIST-1 system, 39 light-years from Earth. A light-year, which represents distance in space, is the equivalent of about 6 trillion miles. In addition to size, they looked at density, orbit, temperature, mass and how far the planets are from their star to come up with their conclusions. According to their findings, these ocean worlds could release more energy than Enceladus and Europa, the researchers added. The conclusions from the study could give researchers additional insight into which exoplanets are studied further. Future missions to look for signs of life beyond the Solar System are focused on planets like ours that have a global biosphere that's so abundant it's changing. To view the full article, click the first link in the description below.